This is my first video, and I'm just going to show you some of the models I've got. British Airways 757-200, Montreal 767-3, Alaskan Airlines Portland Timbers 7377, Northwestern A320, United Airlines Battleship Livery 757-2, Continental, now United, 757-3, Northwest 747-2, and a National DC-8. So I only have these, but I ordered a bunch and they're in the mail, so I might do an unboxing or something like that. And I'm working on the giant board that I have to start getting an airport set up. So these are just some planes. I should be getting airport update going soon.